In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SVG in Inkscape. Scalable vector graphics, or SVGs, are perfect for crisp, flexible designs, and Inkscape gives you powerful tools to change colors, reshape elements, and save clean results. Let's get you comfortable with the basics so you can confidently make quick edits or refine designs with precision. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, you'll see your canvas in the center, a vertical toolbar on the left, a color palette along the bottom, and options up top. That layout is where you'll do most of your work. Next, go to the File menu. This is where you'll manage opening and saving your design files. If you already know where your SVG is, you can use File, then Open to browse to it. Alternatively, you can simply drag the SVG file from your desktop or folder straight into the Inkscape window. When the file loads, it appears on the canvas, ready for editing. If a small prompt appears about how to handle the file, the default settings usually work fine for quick edits. Now, let's change a color. Click once on a shape to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear around it. With the shape selected, move to the bottom color palette and click any swatch to change the fill color instantly. If you don't see a big change, that object may have a stroke or an opacity set by its creator, but the palette click still updates the fill where applicable. Try a few colors until you find the one you like. To resize the selected object, hover over one of the corner handles of the bounding box and click and drag. If you want to keep the proportions from stretching, hold the Control key while you drag. This keeps circles perfectly round and logos looking balanced. For more precise shaping, press N to activate the Node tool. This lets you work directly with the path itself. You'll see small square nodes along the outline of your object. Click a node and drag it to adjust the contour, or drag the tiny handles that appear from a node to change the curve's direction and smoothness. Take your time here. Small movements can make a big visual difference. When you're happy with your edits, click Save to write your changes to the file. If you want to preserve the original version, use Save As to create a copy with a new name. That's it. You've opened an SVG, adjusted color, resized proportionally, refined shapes with nodes, and saved your work, all in Inkscape.